friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the website known as sgroceries.com. So do watch this video till the very end and stay tuned while I will share its salient features. Also do not forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So please do stay tuned. So as you can see, I have opened the main homepage of the website sgroceries.com. There are all these products available on this website. So what is this sgroceries.com? Basically, sgroceries.com is a website that offers large collection of goods and excellent products for all group ages, may it be the adults, the kids or the old. Let's open the first product and see. As you can see, I have opened the first product, which is wireless earbuds. They have given the price, they have given the description about the product. And to talk about payment, they have mentioned payment methods like PayPal, then cards, credit cards, MasterCard, Visa, etc. Let's go to the main home page. As about shipping, we cannot exactly say the date as it depends on your location, as they provide shipping worldwide. It may take mostly 2 to 3 weeks of time. So let's move forward and discuss whether this website is actually legit or not. But before moving forward, I would like to request all of my friends to please like this video, to comment and as well as subscribe to our channel if you haven't not. So talking about legitimacy, as you can see, it is given HTTPS, which means it is a legit site. And as per my findings, this website was registered on September 16th, 2020, which is barely a month back. It is registered in the United States, California. So about the pricing, you can see the pricing depends on the products and it is very rangeable and as well as affordable. Now let's go down. As you can see, there are so many products, there are so many pages, up to 1000. Let's go to About Us and find out about the website. So as I've said, it provides various ranges of products. As you go down, they have mentioned that they also provide toys for various ages. They have mentioned their mobile number as well as a picture of their building and the physical address and the ID, which is sales@sgroceries.com. Let's go next to the returns and exchanges. So this is the return, exchange and warranty policy. So as I have clearly mentioned, they have said not to refuse any package or any item that is already damaged, as if you do not accept it, it will be very difficult for the company to replace it. So as you go down, you can see right on product warranty and returns. They have mentioned that they provide excellent support via phone and email if the products are found damaged. And also they have said that they cannot accept any return or refund or exchange if they issue it 90 days later. In simple words, you cannot basically claim for a refund or exchange if the product has been at your place for more than 90 days. Below they have given the simple instructions if you have applied for refund or exchange. As you can read, Then these are the conditions covered by the warranty policy. They said they cannot accept damaged goods if it is caused by the consumer itself. Explanation of free shipping. They have mentioned that this site does free shipping, but they said that they have to pay for shipping and is calculated on the overall price of the item. So basically the shipping price is calculated on the item itself. Then here comes the cancellation policy. As you can see that they have mentioned that they cannot cancel most of the orders, as they charge $40 on cancellation fee. So you cannot, once you place the order, you cannot basically cancel it. You'll have to wait till the product arrives and then you can give it back. Then there are many conditions which seem quite reliable. As per social media presence, I have not found any social media presence as per on this S Groceries on any platform, and as well there are no customer reviews on this site. So with this we have come to the end of the video, and I have explained to you all the features and the policies and the products listed on this website. So we can conclude saying that this website cannot be trusted easily, as it is just launched 1 month back, having no social media presence as well as no reviews on any platform. So customers who are willing to buy on this site, please do a thorough research, as we do not recommend this site. With this we come to an end of the video. So please do like this video, share this video and comment on it, because we read all your comments on every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. Be informed, be safe.